Hi, welcome to the Physionic channel where we learn the body from the macro down to the micro. So if you think you'd be interested in that, then consider subscribing. So today we're going to be talking about testosterone boosters and TRT, known as testosterone replacement therapy, and we're going to discuss if they work as well as how we should really conceptualize them and how we should really understand test boosters as well as that old TRT. So if that's what you're here to find out about, then in a short, sweet, you know it's science-based video, let's jump right into it. Many a man have wondered if testosterone boosters work, and many a man have been disappointed to know that they do not. The reasons are multifaceted, but aside from testosterone replacement therapy, in which a man or woman, because yes, women need testosterone as well, is injecting or subjecting themselves to the actual molecule testosterone through something like testosterone enanthate, the effects are at best minimal, and at worst, nothing. Whatever proprietary blends and herbal extracts are placed into an over-the-counter supplement are likely worthless to the healthy human being. Because if the body is not in deficiency, it controls the levels of hormones extremely efficiently. This is especially true for testosterone, because while some things in life are more direct and have set at a particular figure, like consuming a set amount of protein per pound, testosterone is set at an incredibly large range. Anything below 250 nanograms per deciliter is low and may require medical attention. And anything over 1,000 nanograms per deciliter is getting supraphysiological. So, assuming your over-the-counter testosterone booster works, does it work enough? Realistically, if anything were to work, it would work in the few percentage points, assuming you have naturally high testosterone. We'll say 800 nanograms. Then you've effectively moved up to 810 or 815 nanograms, which leaves you right where you left off in terms of testosterone's impact on your physiology. Because A, you are still in the normal range, and that does not make your physiology more potent. And B, a 15 nanogram boost in free testosterone is wicked awesome. But in reality, the test company you're buying from probably is selling you an increase in total testosterone because they can't control if it is bound or not. And at a few percentage points increase, that's worthless to your physiology. So either get straight testosterone, patch it in, inject it in, swallow it, whatever, or save your money. Hopefully you guys found this video informative, and if you did, then consider checking out my sources. Actually, this was, I believe, my second article that I ever wrote for the Physionic website, but naturally, there's always going to be sources, there's always going to be scientific-based references, so if you'd like to check those out, then you're of course free to do so in the description box. And with that said, hopefully I have the pleasure of seeing you in the very next video, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.